So in this video, I'm going to reflect upon what I did for CoQ, for my CoQ, which is ICT Community Service. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Kan Yao Tong. I'm from Faculty of Computing, and this is my metric number, as you can see here. This is what I learned this this course. It enhanced my skill set, especially my technical skills with the connecting the wires and so on. And then the second one is obviously project management. Just there's a project the end of the course taught me how to plan things out and following deadlines. Ultimately, you're finding my ability to lead projects effectively. And the third one is team collaboration. Because in this course, we had to work in groups, as I'll share later. So on the 7th of October 2025, so for your information, this class will be this class was always held every Tuesday. So 7th October was a Tuesday, and we went to Block C, where doctor introduced us. Well, he gave us a overview of the course syllabus and asked us to register our account on MOOC. This one is on MOOC. As you can see, there's a purple color website here. This is MOOC. Yeah, she asked us to post a self-introduction lah. And this is my self-introduction. It's brief, but yeah, saves time. And this is the organization chart. Because doctor also she asked us to assign assign some assign ourselves to some roles lah. Choose among ourselves. Choose what roles we want to take. And ultimately, I volunteered to be on transportation and food unit. Yeah, 15 October. This is where doctor taught us how to connect the RJ45 cables. And I formed a group with a girl, Fion. Her name was Fion. So this is me connecting the wires, crimping. This one is crimping, and then she's testing the wire. On 28 October, I form a group. This is for the wall plate jack. I team up with a guy, Muhammad Rashidu Rahman, my friend's friend. He's my friend's friend. So I did the keystone jack, and he did the cabling part. And then this is on 4th November 2025. This is the week. This is the whole week where the classes were held online due to the water shortage issue, right? I remember. Yeah, this week, doctor asked us to make two mind maps. And yeah, this is the two mind maps I made. On 11 November 2025, we had to set up a network. So we rush it. We we set up a network using router and also installed a wall plate. Installed, attach the wall plate to the keystone jack, as you can see in the picture here. Then we also attach some pipe to the cable to make it look nicer, and the Wi-Fi work. Then this is the pre-service preparation we did for the final project, which is just actually a workshop. It's actually a workshop we did on 13 January 2026. We invited 40 students, I think, to come to UTM so that we can teach them how the cabling, teach them how cabling skills, how to connect the RJ45 cable. And I think there was some competition held among the groups, among us, because the students were divided into groups, and each of us had to act as a facilitator for a given group. Well, we chose the groups ourselves. So ultimately, Fion and I, yeah, we were on the same team again. And yeah, luckily she carried us, and yeah, the rest were, and we won first place lah. So this course taught me to be technically skilled. It made me appreciate the basic side of things, because we tend to take technical skills for granted, and we put more importance on theoretical knowledge. But the problem with having theoretical knowledge without practical skills is that, well, you can't apply them to real life situations. So kind of kind of don't kind of you don't have an idea of how things work deep down. That's what that's what this course taught me. It made me appreciate more about more about the technology around me, and everything how the internet works so miracle. Internet works lah. But there's a reason why the internet works. The internet works because of the cables. That's what which is what we learn during this course. Okay. So before I end this video, I would like to thank Dr. Azian for giving me this opportunity to take part in the project, in the workshop, which is the workshop lah. And I would also like to thank my club mates for making everything, for their contributions to the project. Without them, this project wouldn't be a success.